In today's video, I'm going to show you how to highlight text in Adobe Express using the built-in text effects panel. To get started, open the design you want to edit in Adobe Express, then click on the text elements you'd like to highlight. Make sure the text itself is selected so its editing options appear. Next, look over to the left-hand panel and click the Effects tab at the top. This is where Adobe Express lets you apply different visual styles to your text. Quick side note, for more straightforward Adobe Express tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Inside the Effects panel, scroll down until you find the Shape section. Then click View All to open the full list of available shape effects. Look for the classic Shape option that places a colored background closely behind the edges of your letters. It's usually located right beside the None option. Select it, and Adobe Express will immediately add a highlight style effect behind your text. If you want to customize the highlight, click the slider button above the shape effect you selected. Then click the second color swatch and choose the highlight color you want to use. You can also adjust the shape size to make the background tighter or wider around the text, and change the opacity if you want a softer, more transparent highlight. And that's it. You've successfully highlighted text in Adobe Express.